Surveying. Introduction. The art of determining a relative position of object on the surface of the earth by taking measurement in the horizontal and vertical planes is called surveying. The surveying may primarily be divided into the following two classes. Plane surveying. The surveying is which the curvature of Earth is not taken into consideration are known as plane surveys. These surveys extend over small areas. The degree of accuracy obtained in this type of surveying is comparatively low. Generally, areas less than 250 kilometers are treated as plain. When the survey extends over limited areas, the difference in the length between the ARC and the substance showed for any 2 points on the surface of the Earth is only about 0.8 km for a distance of 18.2 km. 0.3 m for 54.3 km and 0.5 m for 91 km. Similarly, the difference between the sum of the angles of a spherical triangle on the Earth surface and that of the angle of the corresponding plane triangle is only 1 second for every 150.5 km of area. Number 2. Geodetic survey. The survey in which the curvature of Earth is taken into consideration are known as geodetic surveys, also called trigonometrical survey. These surveys extend over large or more than 250 kilometers and where the degree of accuracy required is great. According to the method employed, the survey according to the method employed are triangulation surveys and traverse survey. According to the place of work, the survey according to the piece of work or land survey, hydrographical or mine survey, and earlier survey. The land survey may be further subdivided into the following classes. Topography survey. The survey is called out of determining the natural features of the country as such as hills, valleys, rivers, lakes, woods, and nalhas, etc. It is used for artificial objects as such as canal, railways, road, twins, and village, etc. Cadastral survey. The survey is performed to determine the additional details such as boundaries of field, house, and the other property. City survey. The survey is performed in the in connection with town planning scheme such as drinking water supply, etc., and for laying on out plots, road, streets, etc. Engineering surveys. In this surveys is performed for determining and uh, for collecting data for the decision of engineering works such as road, railways, resurface, reservoir, or work in the connection with water supply, sewerage, etc. The decision of engineering work such as road, railways, reservoirs, works in connection with water supply, sewerage, etc. The engineering survey may be further subdivided into following classes: recognition survey for determining the feasibility and cost of scheme.